Today in this video I will guide you on how to create and manage different user profiles with a single Chrome web browser. If you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's get started. See how I am using 4 different profiles with a single web browser. To do this, open any Chrome browser and then click on your profile icon on the top right side corner of your browser. And then click on this gear icon and you can see the option of adding a new profile came. And then click on the add plus sign, and you can see the option of adding a new profile. Now enter your Gmail here. After that, click next. And now enter your correct Gmail password. After that, click next. Now, on this page, if you want to sync all of your Gmail, you can do this by simply clicking the below button Yes, I am in. But, I recommend that you don't sync all of your Gmail accounts and simply click No thanks. Now see, your new profile is almost ready. Here, you can change your profile name if you want, and you can also change your Chrome profile color. Then simply click Done. Boom! You can see that your new profile has been added. This is how you can add multiple profiles in single Chrome browser.